In this video, I'm going to show you how to create image using ChatGPT. So just to give you a brief overview of how this tutorial is going to work, we are going to use ChatGPT in order to make a prompt for something called Midjourney. And Midjourney is what actually generates the image, but ChatGPT is going to describe it because ChatGPT can't generate image. So in any browser, just go ahead and log in to ChatGPT, and then later on we will be logged into Discord or Midjourney. I will be showing that to you later on. So in your ChatGPT, type in create a Midjourney prompt and type in a specific idea on what you want it to be, and then click enter. And as you can see here, ChatGPT is going to work and it's going to a great description. So all you need to do is copy this one and then open your Discord application or in your browser. So once you're logged in here, click on the add button. And at the bottom, select join a server. And then type in Midjourney and click or join server. So once you're done, in your left side menu under the newcomers room, click on newbies 101 and then tap on the text box and type in /imagine prompt and then paste the one you copied from your ChatGPT and then click send. So you just have to wait for the Midcord to answer your request. But remember, you must subscribe to Discord to be able to use this method. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.